Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to the Moor Analytics Afternoon S&P 500 Gold and Bitcoin podcast for August 12th. We're going to start off with the S&P 500. We've been bearish since holding exhaustion at 57.1975 to 26 even with a 57.2125 high and rolled over 601.25 points. A number of other bearish projections in here. The most recent one, notably the 54.64.75 breakdown, which projected this downward 130 minimum, 325 plus maximum. We attained 344.75 of that so far before holding exhaustion below. We held that at 51.2550 with a 51.20 even low and bounced 269.5 points into this morning and just a little bit more than that today. I did say that decent trade above 53.4865 minus 82 per hour will warrant a decent strength. We almost got that break right here, but this was 3 points shy of the decent penetration right down here. If we fell back down through this line decently, that's going to warrant a decent pressure, even though we didn't get a decent break above it yet. That's going to come in at 53.4202 minus 82 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If we do get a decent break above it, that's going to warrant a renewed strength. Keep in mind also that this is a significant bearish reversal above here. We have not negated that yet, even though we're traveling up against the bearish calls that we have. Tomorrow has a even higher likelihood of seeing range expansion than today. Okay, the gold rallied again today too. So the trade above 23.2760 warranted a decent strength. We'd seen 185.8 of that coming into today. And this was another one right here. Those are off hold. So the decent trade above 25.0720 should bring in decent strength. We have not broken above that yet. Now we are up against a significant formation right here. Decent penetration above there, which is going to come in at, sorry, I should have my lines over there. Decent penetration above 25.10 even. Minus 1 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We'll project this upward 110 per ounce minimum. We also have a more significant formation up here. That's going to come in at 253.84 to 253.86 overnight. A decent penetration above there is going to project this upward at least 135 per ounce. Maintain gap lower tomorrow. We'll leave a minor bearish reversal above. In the Bitcoin, we broke below a formation this morning. A little back up here, the trade below 66.335. Projected this down with 3,500. We saw 16,970. The trade above 55.435 brought in 7,535. Strength against that. That was put on hold. And then the trade below 62.19 now warrants a decent pressure. That was the break below this line. We pulled right back up to it and then rolled over a little bit. If we were to break back above that decently, that's going to warrant a renewed strength. And we'll take the bullish calls from below off hold. That's going to come in at 61.529. Plus 93 per hour starting at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you have a good evening, and I'll see you on tomorrow's podcast.